We are on the boat and we are gonna go exploring on this little, well, it's a medium-sized island. Check it out. That's where we're aiming for. We're just gonna find a place where we can moor up and go on a little explore. Check it out. It's almost in a little balancing act on a very little island. And we're gonna moor up just right here. Hey, 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 here we are. We made it to the island. Just gonna go do a little explore. Lovely little place.
Holly tree.
What a gorgeous little island. It's really fun just being on an island from the boat. That's just so cool.
Hope no one nicks our boat.
Yeah.
That's where we came from.
We have made it to the end of the island. Look at people chilling as well. How neat is that? This is so cool. I just love this. Such fun. Just like mooring up a boat and just exploring. We could come back here, couldn't we, Rick, and have a picnic?
Yeah, pretty cool.
Tomorrow for lunch. We can make a plan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's it. We conquered the island. Going back. There's our boat. And we're gonna go sailing ahoy.
Ahoy!
So we're gonna push off in a second. And I think it may be, if that little island over there is free, we should visit it.
The little one.
Yeah.
Very cute.
It's
Isn't it?
very, very cute. You gotta see it.
Yeah.
And we're off. Where are we going again, Rick? Where are we going again, Rick?
We're going to the One Tree Island.
Woohoo! So that is where we are headed for. That little One Tree Island. So cute. There it is, but we're not sure if these people are going there first. So we have to see. Okay, we're gonna go for it. Going for the little island, little tree island. We made it! And we've moored the boat as well with my new line that I just bought as well. How cool is that?
Be very cool if your knots hold.
Yeah, I hope so. We made it back. No calamity. Bye-bye, little One Tree Island. We're just gonna moor up here as well and sit in the sun for a second. Just showing you just how beautiful it is here. Love that bit of marshland just there. Living the dream.
Yeah.
Yay. Happy feet.